Hello friends, welcome back to another video of this series of Filmora editing. I have created this Filmora playlist for the beginners who wants to learn video editing. I will share the link of the playlist in the comment and in the I button. You can check this out. In the previous videos we have learned many features of Filmora like how to add end credits, how to extract a frame from video clip, how to add an image, and many others. In today's video, we will learn how to detach a sound clip or how to remove a sound clip from a video clip in Filmora. Let's begin the video. For that, you must have a video clip in the timeline, which I already have here. Now, simple is that click over here, click the right button of your mouse, and there is an option detach audio. Click over here, and your sound clip is detached from your video. Let's play it. There is no sound here because the audio is detached. Let's play again. Hello friends, in today's video we I hope you like the video. Press the like button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications timely. In the next video, we will learn how to alter the speed of the video in Filmora. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.